Hello kids and welcome back. Today we will be doing an activity based on Tiger Day. Today we are celebrating Tiger Day. Yes or no? Yes. So today we will be doing an activity based on Tiger Day. For this we will require a orange color paper, a pink color piece of paper, a black paper, an old CD, scissor, black sketch pen or a marker, Fevicol, pencil and eraser. As I have already told you, if you are not having colorful papers, you will take a white color and color those papers into orange, pink and black. So let's get started. So now here you can see I have two circles from orange color paper. I have taken this CD, placed on the orange paper and I have cut two circles of same size. Then out of black color I have cut two small circles and I have cut one triangle shape, but the corners of the triangles are in curved shape. I have cut two like these shapes, a shape of ears of orange color and similar shape with a smaller size of pink color. Now you all should be ready with these many things: two circles, two ears, one triangle shape and two black color circles. Now let's assemble it. Okay, now on one of the circles we will place the CD like this in half position. Can you see? Like this, and you will draw a line. And now you will cut this portion. See, now it is ready. Now we will cut the edges in a straight line like this. Now we have cut the edges in straight line. Now we will stick this circle like this. Okay, so let's take Fevicol and apply Fevicol here. Like this, and now you will take the circle like this. Can you see? Yes. Now we will take the triangle shape which we have cut and we will apply Fevicol on it. And now we will apply this over here. So you can see we have stick the nose. Now we will take the two circles which we have cut in black color and will make the eyes like this. The second circle we'll take, apply Fevicol and will stick like this. Now can you see? Yes. Now we'll take the ears and we'll stick the pink portion like this. We'll apply Fevicol and we will stick the inside portion and our ear is ready. Similarly we will be doing for the next ear also. See, our ears are ready. Now we will stick the ears over here like this. We'll use the Fevicol and we'll stick like this. So now you have to stick the ears like this. Everybody is able to see? Yes. So now we'll take a sketch pen or a marker, whatever is available to you. We'll make the mouth like this. And we will draw some dots. And what does the tiger have on his body? He has black marks, stripes. Yes or no? We'll make like this black stripes on his body with the help of the sketch pen or the marker. So like this we'll make the marks with the black color. Now we'll draw a straight line like this and then we'll color it like this. And these are our legs. Legs of the tiger are ready. Okay. Now, is something missing? Yes, something is missing. And what is missing? We have to make a tail. Tigers have tail? Yes or no? So let's make a tail. We'll draw a shape of tail like this on the orange paper. And we'll cut it. Our tail is ready. Now we will color the end of the tail in black color like this. And now with the help of Fevicol we'll stick the tail like this. Like this you will stick the tail. And our tiger is ready. Isn't it looking cute? So I wish you all should try this activity on this Tiger's Day and share your pics with us. So until next time, bye bye. Take care.